Hi guys, this is just an update on how we're getting along with our little beach cruiser VW. We've got a little bit more work done on the inside. Paneling and the flooring's finished now. We did run into an issue which was, I suppose, unpredictable, which I'll show you the photos of, which was quite funny now, not at the time. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll post more as the progress goes on. Lotta and I have been doing a bit of work on the van, doing some paneling. Don't pay too much attention to this one. This is just a cheap board because we're going to have units in front of it. This is the stuff that we're using at the moment. It's kind of like a grooved wooden surface. This one we've given a bit of shape at the back. Lotta has painted some of the ones at the front, which is here. I don't know if you can see. We're kind of going for that beach house kind of slatty look. You can't see too much now, but she sanded a lot of the paintwork here, so it's all aged. And at the top, if I zoom in, can you see it's all cracked and looks all nice and weathered. So by the time we put a clear coat over all that, it should look fantastic. So it's coming along pretty nicely now. We have all our internal panels on now. Gone for that beachy kind of panel look. And if you can see, if it zooms, you've got all old distressed, cracked paintwork, and sanded the white back to look super weathered and cool. We've got some Tasmanian oak we did on the floor. Lotta's put a layer of cream on now, a layer of, which looks like pink, but it's supposed to be coral, fancy. And then we're going to sand all that back and make it look old and weathered as well. So yeah, going pretty well so far. Let's see how it turns out.